Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disconnect your off Facebook activity. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. According to Facebook, off Facebook activity is a summary activity that business and organizations share with us about your interaction, such as visiting their apps or organization websites. When you visit a website or open an app like an online shopping app, your activity on their platform is shared with your Facebook. We will then send you targeted ads based on that activity. So what if you want to disconnect the website or apps that connected with your Facebook activity? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can just tap on the up right corner here on three lines over here. You can tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can scroll down. On your information section, there is an option of Facebook activity. You can just tap on that. You can tap on continue. Tap on recent activity to see your all of Facebook activity. But if you want to disconnect specific activity, you can just tap on disconnect specific activity. Here you can choose the specific activity that you want to remove, that you want to disconnect. For the example, I will choose this one. Now you can tap on continue. You can read this. What happens if you disconnect your Facebook from that website or app? After that, you can just tap on confirm. So the activity has been disconnected from your Facebook. You can tap on done. So that is how to disconnect off activity on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.